Rule 128, evidence defined. Evidence is the means sanctioned by the rule of ascertaining in a judicial proceeding the truth respecting the matter of fact. Section 2, scope. The rule of evidence shall be the same in all courts and in all trials and hearings except otherwise provided by the law or this rule. Section 3, admissibility of evidence. Evidence is admissible when it's relevant to the issue and not excluded by the Constitution, the law, or this rule. Section 4 is relevancy. Collateral matters. Evidence must have such a relation to the fact in issued as the induce belief in the existence and non-existence. Evidence on collateral matters shall not be allowed except when it tends in any reasonable degree to establish the probability or improbability of the fact in issue. Section Rule 129. Section 1, judicial notice when mandatory. Court shall take judicial notice without introduction of evidence of the existence and territorial extent of states, the political history, forms of government, and symbols of nationality, the law of nation, the Admiralty and Maritime Court of the World and their seals, the political constitution, the history of the Philippines, official acts of the legislative and judicial department of the national government of the Philippines, the law of nation, the law of nature, the measure of time, the geographical division. Section 2 is judicial notice when discriminationary. A court may take judicial notice of matters which are of public known or capable of unquestionable demonstration or oath to the known to judge because of their judicial function. Section 3, judicial notice when hearing necessary during the pre-trial or trial. The court, motu proprio or upon a motion, shall hear the parties on the propriety of making judicial notice of any matter, because judge of or an appeal. The court, motu proprio upon a motion, may take judicial notice of any matter and shall hear the parties thereon if such matter is deserved of a material issued in the case. Section 4 is judicial admission, oral or writing, made by the party in the court of the proceeding in the same case, does not require proof. The admission may be contributed only by showing that it was made through palpable making or that the imputed admission was not or fact made. Rule 130, object evidence. Object as evidence. Object as evidence are those addressed to the sense of the court. When object is relevant to the fact in issue, it may be exhibit to examine or viewed by the court. Documentary evidence. Section 2, documentary evidence. Documentary is evidence consists of writing, recording, photograph, or any materials containing letter, word, sounds, number, figure, symbol, or their equivalent, or other modes of writing expression offered as a proof or their contents. Photographs include still picture drawings, storage image, X-ray, film, motion pictures, and videos. Section 3 original document must be provided exemptions. When the subject is in the query in the content of document, writing, recording, photograph, or other records or no evidence is admissible other than the original document itself, except of the following cases: when the A is when the original is lost or destroyed or cannot be pros- uh, produ- uh, proceeded in the court without bad faith on the part of the offerer. When the original is in when the original is in the custody or upon the control of the party against whom the evidence is offered. And the latter fails to produce it after a reasonable notice, or the original cannot be obtained by the local judicial proceeding or procedures. C is when the original consists of numerous accounts or other documents which cannot be examined in the court without creating loss of time, and the fact sought to the established from them is only the general result of the whole. D. When the original document is a public record in the custody of the public officer or in the record of the public office. Last is E. The original document is not closely related to controlling issue. Section 4. Original of the document. Original document is the document itself and or any counterpart intended to have the same effect by the person executing or issued it. And original of photograph includes negative or any print therefrom. If data is storage in the computer or the similar device, any printout or other output readable by the sight or other means showing the reflect the data accuracy in the original. Letter B is duplicate. Its counterpart proceed by the same expression as the original or from the same mathematics or by means of photography includes enlarging, miniature, or by the mechanical or electronic re-recording or by the chemical reproduction or other equivalent techniques with accurately reproduce the original. C is duplicate is admissible to the same extent as the original unless genuine question is raised as to the authentic of the original. Second is circumstances is it is unjust or inequitable to the duplicate in the lieu of the original. Section 5. The original document is unavailable when the original document has been lost or destroyed and cannot be proceed in the court. The offerer, upon the proof of its execution or existence, and and the cause of the inability without a bad faith on his part, any proof its content by the copy, by recital of the content of the same authentic documents, or the testimony of the witness in the order state. Section 6 is when original document is in adversive party party custody or controlled. If the document is in the custody or under control of the derisk party, he must have reasonable notice to produce it. If after such a notice and after uh, satisfaction proof of its existence, he or she fails to produce the document, secondary evidence may be present in the case of its loss. Section 7, summary, when the content of documents, records, photographs, numerous accounts, or voluminous and cannot be examined in the court without greating loss of time of the fact sought to be established only general result in the whole. The contents of such evidence may be presented in the form of chart, summary, or calculation. the the original shall be available for the examination or copy or both by the opposite party at a reasonable time and place. The court may order that they be produced in the court. Section 8, evidence admissible when original document is in a public record. When the original document is in the custody of officer or its record is in a public office, its content may be provided by a certified copy issued by the public officer in custody thereof. Section 9, party who called for document not bound to offer it. A party who called for the production of the document and inspect the same is not obligated to offer it as evidence. Section 10, evidence of written agreement. When the terms of a agreement have been deduced to writing, it is considered as containing all the terms agreed upon. There can be as between the parties and their successors in interest or no evidence in such terms other than the content of the writing agreement. However, the party may present evidence to modify, explain, or add to terms of writing agreement if he or she puts an issue in a validated a a in a synthetic ambiguity, mistake, or imperfection in the writing agreement. The failure of the written agreement to express the truth intended and the agreement in the party thereto. The validity of the writing agreement. D. The existence of the other terms agreed to by parties or their successors to intend after the execution of the writing agreement. Section 11 Section 11 Interruption of writing according to the legal means. Language of writing is to be interpreted according to the legal means. Legal meaning its birth to public of its execution, unless the parties intended otherwise. Section 12 instrument considered so as to give effect of all provisions in the constitution in the construction of instruments where there are several provisions or particular such a construction is, if possible, to be adopted as well give effect of all. Section 13 in interpretation according to intention general of the particular provision in the constitution of instrument. The intention of the parties is to be pursued, and when a general and the particular provision is inconsistent by the latter is paramount for to the former. So a particular intent, well controlled or general one that is inconsistent with it. Section 14 interruption according to circumstances. The proper constitution of a instrument, the circumstances under which it was made include the situation of the subject thereof and of the parties to it may be so that the judge may be placed in the position of those language she or he is to interrupt. Section 15 visual signification of terms of a writing are presumed to have been used in their primary or general acceptions, but evidence is admissible to show that they have a local, technical, or otherwise practical signification, and we're so used and understand in the particular instance, in which case the agreement must have construed accordingly. Section 16, Section 16, written words control print. When a instrument consists partly of written words and partly of a print form, and the two are inconsistent, the former controls the latter. Six, Section 17, Section 17, experts and interpreters to be used in explaining certain readings. The characters in which is instrument is written or are difficult to be deciphered, or the language is not understood by the court. The evidence or person skilled is deciphering the character or who understand the language is admissible to declare the character or the means of the language. Se- section Section 18, two contractors which prefer, when the terms of agreement has been intended, it is different sense by the different parties to it. That sense that sense is to prevail against their party, in which he suppose suppose that other understand it, and when different contractors of a provision or otherwise equally equally prop, equally proper, that is to be take which is the most favorable to the parties, in whose favorable to the uh, to the to the to the provision was made. Section 16, Section 19, Section 19, Section 19, Section 19, contractor is favor of natural rights. Instrument is equal susceptible to of to interpretation arbitration, one in favor of natural rights or other is against it. The form is to be abandoned, adopted, to be adopted. Section 20, interruption according to use. Instrument may be construct according to the use in order to determine the truth character. Section 21, witness. their qualification. All person who was provised and provising the can make known their perception to others, maybe witness religious political beliefs, interest in the outcome of the case, or conviction of the crime, unless otherwise provided by the law, shall not be ground for disqualification. Section 21. Disqualification by the reason of mental incapability or immorality. Section 22. Testimony confirmed to personal knowledge. Witness can testify only to those facts which he or she known of his or her personal knowledge. It is which are derived from her own perception. Section 23. Disqualification by the reason of marriage. During their marriage, or husband or the wife cannot testify against other without the consent of the affected spouse, except it is civil case by one against to another, or in a criminal case of a criminal committed by one against the other, or the other letters direct discriminated or discriminated. Section 24. Disqualification by the reason of privilege, communication. The following person cannot testify as the matter learned in confined of in the following case. A is a husband or a wife during or after the marriage cannot be explained without the consent of the other as to any communication relevant in confidence by one from the other during the marriage, except it is a civil case by the one against the another, or in the criminal case for a crime committed by one against the another, or the latter direct descendants or ascendants. Section letter B. Letter B is attorney or a person reasonable believe the client to be licensed to engage in the practice of the law cannot, without the consent of the client, be examined as to any communication made by the client to her or his advice given thereon in the course of or with a view to professional employed, nor can any attorney, secretary, or clerk or other person as assigning the attorney to be examined without consent of the client or her employer. To be an employer, considering any fact, knowledge of which has been um, acquired to such capacity except of the following case. uh, Following case: presence of the kind or fraud in the service or advice of the lawyer were sought or obtain the to enable or aid anyone to commit or plan to commit with what the client known or reasonable show have known to be crime or fraud. Number two is is climate through same disagree the client as to a communication relevant to a issue between parties who claim their to the same decrease client regardless on whether the claims are by test or intested or by inner inner transaction. 3 is branch of the duty by lawyer or client as the communication relevant to an issue of breach of duty by the lawyer to her or by the client to her lawyer. Number 4 is document arrested by the lawyer as the communication relevant in the issue concerning as arrested document to which the lawyer is arresting witness. 5 is joint client as to a communication relevant to the matter of common interest between two or more clients if the communication was made by any of them to lawyer retained or consulted in the common when offered in the action between any clients unless they have expressed agreed otherwise. Letter C is psychological therapy or a person reasonable believes by the client to be authorized to practice medical or psychological therapy cannot in civil case without the consent of the patient be examined as to any concluded and any confided communication made for the purpose of purpose of purpose of purpose of purpose of diagnosis or treatment of the patient's physically, mentally, or emotionally condition includes alcohol or drug addiction between the parties and his or her physical or psychotherapy. This privilege also applies to the person, including members of the parties' families who have participated in the diagnosis or treatment of of the patient under the under the direction of the uh, physician or or psychological therapy.